Okay, we're doing your shapes. Let's see what you have. You have the circle. Circle goes right here. Good job. Okay, what one are you going to do next? Star. Yep, star goes right there. Can you put it in? Oh, you're right, Summer. The star goes down here. Good job. What's this one? Triangle. Triangle goes down here. Good job. One more. Where's the square? Where's the square? Oh, circle goes over here. Circle goes right here. Circle. Oops. Here, you want to do the square? So the square goes right here somewhere. Yay! Goodbye. Okay, Summer, the circle goes right here. Can you put the circle there? There you go. Can you say circle? Circle. Good job. Yep. Now the square goes right here. Yay! You did them all. Look at Mama. Yay! Look at Mama. Yay!